Okay, go. Woo! The sled finally got some use. It's been sitting in our stupid garage. There is a ton of snow and I am freezing. Woo! So fun. You guys are so funny.
You should hear us, Mommy.
What?
Mommy.
I'm not done yet. I want to show all the freaking snow. Look at the snow for the car.
Oh, I want to go.
And up to the house, there's like huge, huge, huge piles. Here's the car. It's like up to its wheels, as you can see. I parked on the road because I didn't want him to hit me. There's just a ton. Look at that. Ton of snow. Ton right here. The mailbox. Yeah, there's a little bit of snow. Crazy. So fun. There's our little house. Goodbye.